Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to find local matches on Tinder. So I will log in my Tinder account. If you continue to do this swipes, you will see the profile of the users and you will also like them by just tap this heart button. So what's the next? How you will match? So it happens that the next user also swipes you and your profile is shown to him. Then your match is matched. If your profile matches, then you are connected, then you receive messages and calls, etc. from the users. So that's the point. It's very important. Then someone also swipes you and you get matched and get notified. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.